Hey guys, today we got some more football cards. 2023 Prizm blaster box. Looking for that CJ Stroud. Oh, one is outside of there. Oh. We'll do that one last. Alright, we're going to try something different on this box. I'm going to open all the packs and we'll just go through all of them at once. Please comment if you like this or if you think it's dumb. So this is what we're going to do. Whoa. Something there. Got this at Target for $29.99.
Oh, they're cheap there, huh?
Yeah. It's one of the better places to... I'm sure most people will be skipping this part. But if you held out, you'll be skipping to about 30 seconds maybe. This is an interesting way to try it. It's different. I guess we'll just do this one first. This is the one that's to the side.
I think it's better. You need to skip that part and then let's see all the cards
and this will
instead
be
of
all...
skipping each pack if you open it.
This is all the cards. We could do a fan.
Nah, just go through.
There's a silver or some orange.
Couple orange.
Yeah. Or we get Amon-Ra. Ooh, a Will Levis. That's nice. I'm going to sleeve that up. Will Levis Disco. I think that's what it's called, Disco. Mac Jones. Kid Reporter. Mooney. Evan Hull. Here's our Evan Ingram. Man, the camera does not like that parallel. Or it doesn't like these cards back here. Sertan. Higbee. Devo. Payne. Kid Reporter. Chip. Silver. Daniel Carlson. Alright. Yeah, let us know if you like this style of video. If there's less base cards like in Prizm, we might be doing this more if you guys like it. Just comment if you like it, how it's done or not. That'll help us moving forward if we just want to do pack by pack or if we want to open all of them like this. Colin Granson. Then we got Byron Young. Curse. The Kid Reporter throws me off because it's
backwards.
It's not hollow. Yeah, it looks weird. And then Hooker rookie card. That's good. Then we got Emmitt Smith. Nice.
That's sick. Looks like all of them have that disco.
Yeah, that's like the parallel in here.
Okay.
And a prismatic George Kittle. All right, like I said, guys, comment if you like that. This is the best card we got. Will Levis rookie card. Thanks for watching, guys.